Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 10 divided by 1 over 20 times 10. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. First we do this multiplication. 1 over 20 times 10. 10 divided by 10 gives us 1 and 20 divided by 10 equals 2. So here we have just 1 over 2. And 10 divided by 1 over 2. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. 10 times 2 gives us 20. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 10 divided by 1 over 20. According to the KCF rule, we can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 10. Okay, 10 times 20 gives us 200. So we have 200 times 10. Which equals 2000. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 2000.